Nagapanchami, festival of worship, God Serpent. Nagapanchami is a day of traditional worship of Nag or snakes observed by Hindus throughout India and Nepal. The worship is offered on the fifth day of bright half of lunar month of Shravan according to the Hindu calendar, which falls on July or August as per the Gregorian calendar. Some Indian states such as Rajasthan and Gujarat celebrate Naga Panchami on the dark half, means Krishna Paksha of the same month. As part of the festives, a Nag or serpent deity made of silver, stone, wood, clay or a painting of snakes is worshipped, and their blessings are sought for the welfare of the family. Live snakes, especially cobras, are also worshipped on this day, especially with offerings of milk, sweets, and flowers. Devotees worship serpent gods and ask for their forgiveness. Worshipping snakes in Hindu culture holds greater importance as even Lord Shiva carries snakes around his neck like a garland. There are different traditional stories are narrated to describe the celebrating Naga Panchami festival are as follows. The festival of Naga Panchami is celebrated because there is tremendous rainfall during the month of Shravan. Because of this, during this time, snakes often come out of their burrows because of rain that fills their burrows with water. They can kill humans to save themselves. To prevent this, the festival of Naga Panchami is celebrated. On this day, snakes are fed with milk. It is believed that snakes have a sharp memory and remember the faces of people who harm them. When the snakes avenge it, they also harm the family members of that person. So, to please them, serpents were worshipped on this day. India is an agriculture country. During normal rainy season in Shravan, farming activities are taking place. At such times, the land is digging for farming. Animals living in burrows in the ground, especially snakes, can injure their burrows while digging the land. So, on the day of Naga Panchami, the snake is worshipped and praying to them. We are doing the work of farming. If we accidentally hit your house, please forgive us. The snake is considered as a friend of the farmer. History behind to celebrate Naga Panchami festival is described in the Mahabharata epic. Janmejay, the son of King Parikshit of the Kuru dynasty, was performing a snake sacrifice known as Sarpasatra to avenge for the death of his father from a snake bite by the snake king called Takshak. King Janmejaya conducted a yajna to eliminate the entire Nag caste. The day that this yajna was stopped due to the intervention of the Brahmin Ashtik Rishi was the day of Naga Panchami, and since then this day is celebrated for Nag Puja. According to the Garud Purana, offering prayers to snake on this day is auspicious and will assure good tidings in one's life. On this day, snake charmers are everywhere in towns and villages displaying snakes in their baskets, which will have all types of snakes such as pythons, rat snakes, and cobras mingled together. Some of the snake charmers hang limp snakes around their neck, and crowds gather to witness these scenes. The snakes in the basket are also worshipped on the occasion. God serpent worship with the reciting of the following mantra. Anantam Vasukim Shesham Padmanabham cha Kambalam Shankhapalam Dhritarashtam cha Takshakam Kaliyam Tatha etani nava namani naga nama cha Mahatmanaha Sayankale Pathe Nityam Praptakale Visheshataha Tasya Vishayabhayam Nasti Sarvatra Vijayi Bhaveta. With respect, I invoke the 9 principal Nagas Ananta, Vasuki, Shesha, Padmanabh, Kambala, Shankhapal, Dhritarashtra, Takshak, and Kaliya. If prayed to daily in the morning, these illustrious Nagas will keep one protected from all evils and help one become victorious in life. Happy Naga Panchami to all.